18 children?
Yeah.
For one man?
1 month.
Got you pregnant 18 times?
18 times.
That was a bad man. Or you were a bad woman?
No, he don't go out. He just stay one place.
Oh,
So me just stay with him.
so when you stay one place, you get 30
Yeah,
kids.
yeah.
And you said 13 are alive. 13,
13 alive. 7 boys and 6 girls.
and you are 90.
Me and June coming.
June you'll be 90.
June me will be 9.
So how old is your oldest child?
74.
Your first child is 74 years old. Imagine that. Wow, that's marvelous. I've never met anybody with 18 children. I didn't know that was even possible. Yes. You think you would have any more now?
No,